guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. As you have already seen in the title, today I'm going to tell you my top 5 favorite products under rupees 100. Yes, you heard it right, under rupees 100. These products are very nice for your skin as I have tried it myself. So to know which are these 5 favorite products, do check out the video. To begin with, my first favorite product is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. It has neem and turmeric in it. It's a very nice face wash and it is a cult favorite of many people I know. I have been using this face wash since past few years and I would highly recommend you face wash. It's very cheap. You get 50 ml of product for only rupees 65. So it's under rupees 100 and it's a very nice face wash. If you are suffering from pimples, then I would highly recommend you this face wash. My second product in the top 5 favorite products under rupees 100 is Himalaya Purifying Neem Pack. It's a very nice face pack. It says it deeply cleanses and purifies for clear problem-free skin. I don't know about the purifying part, but it's a very nice face pack to calm down your skin. And if you apply a very thin layer of it, let it dry and wash it off. I would highly recommend this face wash as you are getting 50 gram of products at only 75 rupees. Very good for acne prone skin as it has neem in it and it says it's for normal to oily skin. I belong to a dry family but it doesn't make my skin all dry. It might cause a tingly sensation at first go, but be patient, it's not going to harm your skin. And the third product in my top 5 favorite products under rupees 100 is another face wash. This is Garnier Pure Active Purifying Face Wash. If you have acne prone skin and if you want your face wash to lather, you need this face wash. Lathers very nicely. It makes your face squeaky clean and it's very good for acne prone skin. It also has neem extract which is good for your pimples and it says that it is for acne prone skin. I belong to a dry family but it also suits me. It's a very nice face wash and you are getting 50 gram of face wash at rupees 55. What else do we need? It's more cheaper and it's very nice and it also lathers very nicely. So go for it. In my top 5 favorite product under rupees 100 is a sheet mask. This is Nykaa Skin Secret Unmasked Tea Tree Plus Aloe Vera for clear plus moisturized skin. As you all know how beneficial sheet masks are. These sheet masks are loaded with serum and you also get extra serum. If you want, you can also keep it in a container for your next use and it hydrates your skin very nicely and it is very good for your skin. You must be knowing how serum are beneficial for your skin. It penetrates deeply in your skin and these face masks are very cheap. It's one face mask is for 99 rupees. You can also use any other company sheet mask. Every sheet mask are merely under 99 rupees only. Nykaa, I bought this one on a 5 to 5 offer. Means I got one sheet mask for 50 rupees. So it's even more cheaper. Your skin is benefiting so much. What else do you need? Nykaa always runs a sale on their sheet mask. You can always get your hands on it at rupees 50. So do check it out. And the fifth and the last product in my top 5 favorite products under rupees 100 is Blue Heaven Lip Balm. This one is in the raspberry variant. It is for rupees 85. This is a clear copy of EOS lip balm. Let's see. Very nice lip balm. I first thought that it's under ₹100, it wouldn't be that much moisturizing, but after using it, I was blown away because this is a very nice lip balm. You can use it under your matte lipsticks. It wouldn't change the color of your matte lipstick, and plus it's a very lightweighted, transparent lip balm. It wouldn't give any color to your lip, but it will moisturize your lips a lot. So this sums up my top 5 favorite products under rupees. Do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be doing more top 5 products under ₹100 in future. And to know more about me or to connect with me on a daily basis, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. Do check it out, and see you next time. Bye guys.